Hey, this is Sean Medley at South Haven RV and Marine. I want to talk to you today about a new floor plan that Grand Design has come out with. They're always great with their floor plans, but this is a new one that's really taking the cake over here as far as the toy hauler travel trailers go. This is the Momentum 29 GO, and we'll have a look at it in a second because I'm not talking about this Solitude behind me or the nice pontoon inventory we've got over here, which is nice to have with all this COVID stuff going on. It's been such a challenge trying to get inventory. I just can't believe how bare the showroom is right now. Actually, I'm thankful to have the inventory that we do, but normally this place is jam-packed. So anyway, speaking of thankful to have things, this Momentum right here, I'm going to expand out here on our focus a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Really like this particular floor plan. I love how they put this patio awning that covers the whole side of the area over here for your patio, and it just gives you this huge space to hang out at. Got a nice storage area right here. We'll open that up and have a look at it. Based on the floor plan and the size of this thing, that's a pretty good storage area, you know. I love how the light comes on automatically. You got it set in that mode. Got the electric awning, electric tongue jack up front. I like how they put these lights on the front. It really adds a lot of accent to it. Kicks it off at night, stands out in the crowd. Of course, the fiberglass front piece, gel coated, easy to get the bugs off of it once you get done with your trip, going where you're going to go. Outside speakers, hook up for a TV. But let's get back to the important part, and that's this nice storage area, patio deck. Awesome place to hang out. You could even bring the two chairs we'll see in a minute inside out here if you wanted to. I love how it's covered, electric awning there too. You've got the lights you can kick on, as you can see. This is a roll-up door, and you've got your TV, you've got the gas griddle there. You can cook your fish, your bacon outside instead of stinking up your camper. Outside speakers, storage below that. But this is the main thing, of course, on this particular thing that makes it so nice is this patio area. One of the demands, we have when customers come in looking for a toy hauler travel trailer. Let's say they've got a side-by-side, a raised-up RZR with big tires on and everything. They're always worried about the interior height they have for the opening to get and put their toys inside the back of it. Well, here you don't have to worry about that. Whatever height you want to put, that's fine. And the nice thing is it's open. You're not going to have gas fumes, that kind of thing, inside your camper. And to make it easier for you to park these toys, of course, you've got this nice mesh ramp. It's easy to fold up. It's got the cable assist to help you get it up and lock it in place. But you've got the E-track on each side. So those strap tie downs, you can put them at any location along that E-track on either side. You've got plenty of tie downs, as you can see right there. It just makes for a great place to be able to pull up. The pitch isn't crazy to pull up onto it. You've got the dovetail, so you can park anything up there you want to, any combination of things. You don't have to worry about it tearing things up inside your toy hauler, bumping into furniture and things like that. It's just a great concept. It really is. And here's your fueling station. Got the built-in ladder. Of course, you just pull the pins and this thing folds out on the hinge and you can climb on up to the top and watch your Talladega NASCAR race up there, So I've been known to do a couple of times. Over here, there's your power hookup. This isn't anything new, but as an RVer myself, I've got a 2013 fifth wheel. I don't have this. It doesn't tell me when I've got power here. So if the power goes out, I'm looking at breakers, I'm looking back at the pole to see whether the power's on there. This is an easy way to diagnose what's going on. I like how they've got this hookup here. Your battery disconnects, so you can kill the battery while you've got it in storage. You don't have any parasitic loss of power. Black tank flush. Hook up your fresh water, everything right there, easy to get to. And then when you're ready to winterize it, sanitize the fresh water tank, you just mimic the setup of these handles right here. This is for your outside shower, hot and cold running water. Got the little curlicue hose you hook up to this, and then bring your water and everything up through here. Everything's insulated, nice and clean, and it's all one piece rotocast here, so you don't have to worry about the silicone. Everything on a lot of them will wear out over time, and then you wind up with a water leak, the little spilled water. So you don't have to worry about that. It's all going to drain out right here. So there's your 4,000 watt Onan generator. Runs off that same fuel tank that we looked at back there. Let's go on inside and see the nice part of it here. Well, besides that back patio anyway. You got to slide out. Gives you this additional space that you see here in the living room. Got the fireplace, electric fireplace. You know, you can just have it on regular mode. It's just an illusion, or you can set the heat on it too. It's a 1500 watt heater. The TV, it's on a bracket where you can pivot it around whichever direction you want. Here's the 2 chairs I was talking about earlier. And of course, with them being some Euro recliners, you can move them around however you want to. You can put them on the back patio. You can set them over here if you want to. Whatever works for you. But as far as the living space goes, I mean, in a little 29 foot like this is a nice little conversation area. You got plenty of storage there, a door right out to the back. You got this drop down bed, so it drops down electrically, and then you can make this out into a bed, so you can sleep 4 people just in this area alone. The other 2 beds are right over here. You've got 2 bunk beds, lower bunk and an upper bunk. Got the privacy curtains, storage for them. So you got a hanging storage right there. 2 drawers, a little upper cabinet there for items you don't normally get to, or this top bunk can use that real easily. Got the pocket door for the bathroom, give you some privacy. And I like how Grand Design always puts a big shower, if they can, in a particular space, you know. But that, I mean, that gives you plenty of elbow room. You don't have to worry about leaks or anything. You know, this brings up one thing. You know, I've had people go talk about the seam. Well, this bottom piece actually comes up into the wall. There's no way water can get up in there and get back into the wood behind it or anything. But you know, that's what makes this nice. There's hardly any seams besides what you see here, and that's really not a seam to worry about. Good storage all the way around. Plenty of counter space there. Put your toothbrush and all that. Nice big fridge. There's your subwoofer. Got a nice sound system to it. Might as well show you all this, where the storage is and everything. Like these covers, these glass covers, it gives you the additional counter space over the top of the 3-burner cooktop. There's your microwave, storage above it, drying rack. You know, these things roll up and you put them away and they don't take up that much room. It's nice having a little drying rack after you wash your dishes and everything, let it dry out, coffee mugs, all that. Over here, this is the storage you have when you first come in the door. Shelves there, and then this is your control panel. You can kick your generator on, see how much fuel you got, check your levels, you know, run your hot water heater. Of course, it runs off gas or electric, or both. Now, if you're going to take back-to-back showers, it's nice to kick both of them on so you have a quicker recovery. Other than that, you know, you'll want to leave it on electric while you're at the campground. You know, you're already paying for that electricity, might as well use it. Speaking of which, you've got this nice power control center. So if you're plugged up at the house, you only have 20 amp available. It's going to try to keep you from overloading the system. You know, if you kick on the ducted AC up here on 20 amp, it's going to counteract that and not let you do damage and overload the system. So that's a great little feature to have there. Got cup holders here in the couch, and we'll look at the storage up here real quick. Oh, a couple of cubby holes up there. There's your Rockford Fosgate sound system. So this Bluetooth, you know, it's nice to be able to scan this, put the app on your phone. You can also just stream Bluetooth to it. You know, these days a lot of people like to do streaming and that kind of thing, and me included. And so it's really nice to have a system that works well with that, you know. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it for this floor plan. Just wanted to kind of show you around and what's impressive about it, what kind of features it has. And you know, if you're interested in it or anything else that we may have in stock, or want to place an order for a different floor plan or whatever, you know, to give me a call. I'm Sean Medley at South Haven RV. My cell phone number is 901-581-6552. Give me a call. Talk to you then.